Good morning, students. Today we are going to read the chapter 1 of Geography, Resources and Development, part 4. Today we will discuss about the soil. Soil as resource. As we know very well that the things which fulfill our needs are resources, and now we can understand how much important resource is soil. The uppermost layer of the earth crust, which loose, broken and useful for plants, is called soil. This is the definition of soil. Now soil consists of which material? Of mineral matter such as sand and clay, and organic matter such as humus, bacteria and earthworms. Now soil is formed mainly due to the process of weathering. Now we are studying about how soil is formed. Process of weathering. As a result of weathering, a layer of loose rock material is formed on the land surface. If this layer remains undisturbed for a long period of time, chemical, physical and organic changes take place in it. These changes lead to the formation of soil. We discuss here on this page 3 questions: that what is soil, and soil consists of which material, and how soil is formed. Now let us discuss about the factors which influence soil formation process. Which are these factors? Climate. Yes, climate decides the rate of weathering and type of vegetation. Second, topography. Now what is topography? Topography of the land decide the accumulation of soil, that what type of land is. It may be mountainous, it may be sandy. Nature of parent rock. It decides the compositions and texture of soil, that how soil textures will be there. It will be decided by the parent rock. Now vegetation. Vegetation decides the amount of humus available in the soil. Now how many types of soils are there? We are talking about the country, that 6 types of soils are there. First, alluvial soil. Second, red soil. Third, black soil. Fourth, laterite soil. Fifth, desert soil. And sixth, mountainous soil. Now let us see how it looks alluvial soil. Are you watching? This is the most fertile soil. Alluvial soil is the most fertile and widespread soil found in India. Here you can make your one question, that write a short note on alluvial soil, and this is a very important soil because this is the most fertile soil. It is formed due to the decomposition of fine silt called alluvium by the rivers. It is found in the northern plains, Gujarat plains and coastal plain also. It consists of sand, silt and clay. It is divided into 2 parts, bhangar and Khadar. These 2 parts are divided on the basis of the age of this soil, as old and new alluvium. It contains soil nutrients such as potash, phosphoric acid and lime. So it is fertile and good for the growth of sugarcane, rice, wheat and pulses. Now let us see the difference between bhangar and khadar. I think you have done in your previous class. Now one question is there in this session also in social science, that what is the difference between bhangar and khadar in your book. Bhangar is the largest part of northern plain and composed of old alluvial soil, and khadar is a new alluvial soil. There is second difference. They lie above the flood plains and they are above the flood plains. There, the soil of this region is locally known as kankar. Kankar is contained in this soil, and there is no kankar. This region is very suitable for the intensive agriculture activities. Now you can see the black soil, how it looks. Now write a short note on black soil. Black soil known as regur soil. Regur means cotton. Means this soil is the ideal for the cotton. That's why we call it regur. Best soil for cotton cultivation. Most of the Deccan is occupied by the black soil. High water retaining capacity is there in this soil. Soil is sticky when wet and shrink when dried. Self-plogging is a characteristic of black soil as it develops wide cracks when dried. Now it is rich in iron, lime, calcium, potassium, aluminium and magnesium. And where is deficiency in this soil? Nitrogen, phosphorus and organic matter. What is the color now? Deep black to light black. Now it is mainly found in Deccan Trap region of Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. This is all about black soil. Now you can see the red soil as its color is telling it's red soil. Now we will discuss about the short note on red soil. It's seen mainly in low rainfall areas. Porous friable structure. What is porous friable structure here? As a perforated structure, or porous means which is the soil suitable for the internal activities. For example, we grow as radish and carrot. These grows inside the soil and these are easily they can grow such type of porous area or soil. Absence of lime, conquer or deficient in lime, phosphate, manganese, nitrogen, humus and potash. Now let us talk about the color. We know as it is called red soil. Red color due to diffusion of iron in crystalline and metamorphic rocks. As you can see, when you will put water on any iron good and it will stay there for a few days, you will see there the color may be in red. The lower layer is reddish yellow or yellow. What is texture of this soil? Sandy to clay and loamy. Wheat, cotton, pulses, tobacco, oilseeds, potato, etc. are cultivated there. It is found in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Orissa, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. This is all about red soil. Thank you. Next we will read in our next video.